Meaning of heaviness.
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 Heaviness. The term heaviness generally refers to the degree or extent of weight or mass of an object. It can also describe a feeling of burden or difficulty that someone experiences mentally or emotionally. The sensation of heaviness can arise from factors such as gravity, physical pressure, or fatigue. Heaviness can be used metaphorically to refer to the weight of responsibility or the depth of emotional pain. In summary, heaviness can describe both physical and emotional sensations related to weight, burden, or difficulty.